How to change passcode in the Frollo application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily change your passcode in the Frollo account using the Frollo application. First of all, open the Frollo app on your device. Once you're logged into the homepage of Frollo, like you normally do, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner from the dashboard. Now this will open the settings menu where you need to click on Security under App Settings. Go ahead and enter your current passcode in order to get to the next page. Now on the next page, click on Change Passcode. Enter a new passcode you want to update to. After you do that, confirm the passcode by entering it again. Now you have successfully changed your passcode. Click on Finish, and now you are all set. Your account is now more secure, and you can continue managing your finances with peace of mind. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.